How to make lemon juice and almond oil hair treatment for hair growth. Mix 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of almond oil in a bowl. Now, apply this mixture all over your hair and scalp. Massage it into your scalp for 5 minutes. Then, leave the mixture on for 30 minutes. In the end, wash it off with a mild shampoo. For best results, follow this routine twice a week. Almond oil can soften and strengthen your hair. It's rich in vitamin B7, or biotin, so almond oil helps to keep hair and nails healthy and strong. It can also help protect your hair from sun damage, with a natural SPF 5. Moreover, you can use almond oil as a scalp treatment. Its antibacterial and fungicidal properties make it effective at balancing the yeast that causes dandruff. It easily soaks into the skin, so almond oil works well at hydrating the scalp and cleansing the hair follicles. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.